Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to search for forms in Google Drive on your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you frequently use Google Drive, you know how important it is to find your files quickly. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing in drive.google.com. This will take you directly to your drive where all your files are stored. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar at the top of the page. To enhance your search capabilities, click on the Advanced Search icon, which looks like a small downward arrow. This icon opens up more options to refine your search. In the Advanced Search menu, you'll see various filters. From the Type drop-down menu, select Forms. This is crucial because it tells Google Drive that you're specifically looking for forms, making your search much more efficient. After selecting Forms, you can now find the forms you want. The results will display all the forms stored in your drive. You can scroll through the list or use keywords related to the form title if you remember any specific details. Remember, using these advanced search features not only saves time, but also helps you manage your files more effectively. With just a few clicks, you can access any form you need without sifting through countless documents. That's it. You've successfully searched for forms in Google Drive using these simple steps. Now, whenever you need to find a form quickly, just follow this method and enjoy a more organized Google Drive experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Google Drive and other useful tools.